Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. In this video I want to test this little boy here. It's my R6 Mark II with my 24-70mm lens. It's an EF lens, it's not an RF lens. So I want to check how is the video quality of this camera with this lens. I still haven't done any videos on my YouTube with this camera, so this will gonna be my first video for my YouTube channel. This camera. So let's have a look. So first of all, everything's together. I just need to take the cap off and let's see. Just to let you know, probably the microphone or the sound quality will be crap, just because it will be from the camera. So let's have a look. First of all, for some reason I got a password to put on this camera. I'll probably have to take it off. There you go. That's it. And yeah, that's the camera. I'm gonna have to make a bit of test. Yeah. That's it. So as you can see here in this little clip, I'm recording from my R6 Mark II. I'm looking on the little screen on the side of the camera just to see my face. I'm looking at you to see you, and I don't know how the video quality is, isn't it? I'll probably get better understanding what I'm gonna do or when I'm gonna edit this video. But because it's 24-70mm lens, I have to keep the camera a bit far away from me. So that's my whole hand handles the camera. It's a bit funny, but that's the camera recording of me. So I really hope the video quality is same as my GoPro, or hopefully better, because obviously you can't compare R6 Mark II with the GoPro, especially with a good heavy lens and also expensive one. And yeah, what do you think about this video quality from this lens? Let me know in the comments. And I'm gonna switch off this camera. I'm gonna go back to my GoPro and talk more on there. Alright, let's switch it off. Probably here. So I've done a bit of short clip with my R6 Mark II. I'm gonna see personally how is video quality during the post-processing. You probably can let me know what do you think about video quality of this camera, or if you like the GoPro 12 video quality. Again, this video is a bit short. I've been a bit busy lately, but still try to do videos for you guys. Again, thanks a lot for watching this really short video. I hope to make more videos, but I'm gonna see you in the next video.
Hello there, welcome again to my channel. Today is this